The modern drive is about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about crafting a seamless, connected, and utterly commanding experience on the road. The right car gadget doesn't just fill your cup holder, it transforms your entire journey, eliminating common frustrations and elevating every moment behind the wheel. However, with an overwhelming flood of new products and accessories constantly emerging, figuring out what's truly worth your investment can feel like a daunting task. Today, we're counting down the top 10 absolute best, coolest, and smartest car gadgets on Amazon that represent the pinnacle of automotive innovation and pure driving comfort. And one more thing, make sure to check the link in description for latest price of each model we talked about. So let's go. Starting our list at number 10 is the eSamcore for MagSafe Car Mount Detachable, bendable aluminum arm magnetic phone holder for car. This isn't just a simple phone clip, it's your foundational pillar of in-car connectivity and convenience. Meticulously engineered for 2024, this mount features a bendable memory aluminum alloy arm that seamlessly integrates with your car's interior, allowing you to position your phone perfectly on the dashboard, center console, or even behind the steering wheel. But its genius goes far beyond basic adjustability. It's armed with 20 individual super strong N52 magnets that create an incredibly secure instant connection with your MagSafe iPhone, holding it firmly in place even on the most brutal bumpy roads. The base uses a clever hook and loop fastener with a traceless 3M adhesive pad, allowing you to remove and reposition the entire mount freely. For Android users, an included MagSafe ring provides the same powerful magnetic grip. It's the non-negotiable, sleek, and ultra-stable hub for keeping your navigation and music right where you need it. At number 9, we tackle the critical need for security and peace of mind with the Spy Tec Mini GPS Tracker for vehicles and kids. This is a product of pure genius for any car owner, parent, or fleet manager. Imagine having the ability to know the exact real-time location of your vehicle or a loved one's car, right from your smartphone. This incredibly compact device, just over 3 inches long, boasts an astonishing battery life of up to 14 days. It operates on a powerful 4G network with coverage across North America and worldwide, offering features like geofencing alerts, speed notifications, and a time machine feature to review historical routes. It's the ultimate tool for preventing theft, monitoring teen drivers, or keeping tabs on valuable assets, providing an unparalleled layer of security for a surprisingly low monthly subscription cost. Coming in at number 8 is the ANDERY car phone holder for MagSafe. 78 plus lbs strongest suction and 2400 GF magnetic. This product solves the most universal car mount frustration: lack of stability. This isn't a flimsy suction cup. It's an engineering marvel featuring an advanced rotating lock vacuum suction system that provides 45% more power than traditional mounts, capable of holding a staggering 78 pounds. Paired with its 22 ultra-powerful N55 magnets offering 2,400 grams of force, it creates a bond so strong it can support the weight of 50 phones. But its genius continues with a 360-degree rotating base and 210-degree dual-axis folding arms for perfect viewing angles, a unique circular cooling design to prevent phone overheating, and a compact foldable design. It's the absolute apex predator of phone mounts, offering unwavering stability on any dashboard or windshield. The number 7 spot is secured by the Armor All XL Trunk Organizer for SUV. This is the ultimate solution for automotive chaos. This heavy-duty waterproof organizer brings order to the chaos of your trunk with 8 spacious compartments, including 2 large main sections and 6 side pockets. Its fully collapsible design means it folds flat when not in use, and it's built with premium materials to withstand groceries, tools, and sports gear. Features like ergonomic aluminum handles and strong compression buckles to keep it from shifting during travel make it an indispensable tool for family road trips, daily commutes, or hauling supplies. It transforms your cargo area from a messy pit into a perfectly organized storage space. At number 6 is the G Plus retractable windshield sunshade for car. This gadget solves the single biggest interior comfort issue: the oppressive, damaging heat of the sun. This isn't a flimsy foldable reflector. It's a sophisticated two-piece outfit including a custom-fit retractable sunshade and a matching silver-coated umbrella for your windshield. The material offers UPF 50+ protection, reflecting heat and reducing interior temperatures by up to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing dashboard cracking and upholstery fading. Securing the number 5 spot is the TLIEAO Comprehensive Premium 430-piece Emergency First Aid Kit. This is the apex of preparedness for the road. This isn't a basic kit with a few bandages. It's a massive, professionally stocked medical arsenal, housed in a durable, tear-resistant 1680D polyester bag with MOLLE-compatible straps and reflective strips for high visibility. Its intelligent, compartmentalized design is clearly labeled and includes a step-by-step manual, allowing you to find exactly what you need in a crisis without panic. With 430 pieces, including advanced items like a tourniquet and povidone iodine pads, it's prepared for everything from minor cuts to serious accidents. It's the essential, all-encompassing guardian for your family's safety on every journey. Breaking into the top tier at number 4 is the Carlinkit Mini SE Pro wireless adapter for OEM wired CarPlay and OEM wired Android Auto. This gadget completely reimagines your car's infotainment system. This brilliant little device seamlessly converts your factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a fully wireless system, eliminating the need to ever fumble with cables again. It offers plug-and-play setup, advanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules for a low-latency, stable connection, and supports over-the-air updates to ensure future compatibility. It enables full hands-free control via Siri or Google Assistant and automatically reconnects when you enter the car. For any modern car with a wired system, this tiny adapter is a transformative upgrade that brings flawless wireless integration. Earning the number 3 position is the GKU Dash Cam front and rear camera, 4K plus 1080p, dual dash camera for cars. Now, this gadget earns its place as your unwavering digital eyewitness on the road. This isn't a low-resolution camera. It's a sophisticated system that records stunningly crisp 4K video from the front and full HD 1080p from the rear with a 170-degree wide-angle lens and WDR-enhanced night vision to capture every detail, day or night. It features built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi for instant app connectivity to review and download footage, seamless loop recording, and a G-sensor that automatically locks footage during a collision. Its 24-hour parking mode with an optional hardwire kit provides always-on protection against hit-and-runs and vandalism. It's the ultimate tool for insurance evidence and peace of mind. The runner-up at number 2 is the Syncwire Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This is for the driver who refuses to be stranded. This miraculous device is a 150 psi, ultra-compact air pump that inflates tires 2 times faster than many competitors. Its genius lies in its ultra-large LCD display showing real-time and target pressure, and its effortless one-press setting with 5 preset inflation modes for cars, motorcycles, and bikes. It automatically shuts off when the desired pressure is reached. It's powered by a USB-C rechargeable battery, is incredibly portable, and even comes with a bonus set of premium aluminum alloy tire valve caps. It's the ultimate luxury of self-sufficiency, ensuring you're always prepared for a low tire. At number 1 is the QUOESD 8250A Jump Starter Battery Pack. This earns the top spot because it is the single most powerful and reassuring device you can keep in your trunk. This isn't a simple battery booster, it's a colossal 28,000 mAh portable power station capable of delivering a monstrous 8,250 amps to jumpstart virtually any vehicle. From a small sedan to a large 10.0-liter diesel truck, RV, or piece of construction equipment, all by itself, with no other car needed. Its advanced ultra-safety technology offers 10 layers of protection, making it completely spark-proof and reverse polarity-proof for total peace of mind. But its genius continues. It also functions as a 60-watt power bank to fast-charge your laptops and phones and features an incredibly bright 800-lumen emergency LED light with multiple modes. With a 48-month standby time and the ability to work in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit, the QUOESD 8250A doesn't just start your car, it saves your day, your trip, and potentially your life. It is, without a doubt, the most transformative and critical piece of car gear you can own. So, there you have it, the top 10 coolest car gadgets on Amazon. From the essential connectivity of the MagSafe Mount to the unwavering security of the Dash Cam, and from the life-saving preparedness of the First Aid Kit to the absolute power of the Jump Starter, each of these products proves that the right gear empowers you to drive smarter, safer, and in greater control. We hope this list has given you some fantastic ideas for revolutionizing your own time on the road. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let us know in the comments below which piece of gear you're most excited to add to your car.